Hello and welcome to today's video. So in this video we are looking at what is without doubt one of the easiest ways to start making money online and from home. And here's the cool part, it literally takes less than 20 minutes, and that's no BS. This is genuine stuff. I'm going to walk you through all of it in this video, okay? And I'm going to share with you a number of free tools and resources. So there's no excuses with this. If you're serious about wanting to make money online, but you're short on time, you don't have any money or anything, then this video will show you everything that you need to start making money online. It's honestly simple and easy, and we are also doing this method ourselves. So I'll share with you some different numbers and results from this, and it's staggering to say the least, okay? So let's dive into it and I'll show you everything step by step. And all I ask in return is, if you find the video useful, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But yeah, let's dive in the laptop and I'll walk you through this whole process step by step. Hello and welcome to today's video. So as I've mentioned, this method I'm going to share with you today, it 100% works. It's simple, it's easy, and we'll go through all of it step by step in this video. And look, if you're a member of the university over here, if you just come down and go to where it says TikTok products, we've got lots more methods, because the method that we're going to be looking at today, it only literally takes less than 20 minutes, okay? And let me quickly show you this. I'll open this up. You can see over here, look, in the last 7 days, 6 million views, profile views and other bits. So we know that this method works, and as I've mentioned, this is only one method of making money on TikTok. There are many more, and again, if you've got the university, you can go ahead and go through these different trainings in here. But let me show you how this method works and just how simple it really is, okay? So all I've done here on TikTok is I've typed in motivational quotes, and you'll see a lot of accounts, popping up on here. Now, the first one I want to share with you is this one over here. Now look at this, okay? So this account, they've got 2,425 followers. Now you might be thinking, oh, they've been posting for a long time. Scroll down here, they've not. Look, they've got 6, 12, they've uploaded 18 short videos, and they've got 2,400 followers. So now this account here could be monetizing in a number of ways. But it's just bizarre, isn't it? 18 short videos, 2,400 followers. And these videos, as you can see, they're not long. I mean, this one here, it's all in your head. This one here, black background, bit of text. And all of these ones over here is just a bit of text with a black background. Straightforward and simple. I'll show you another one, so let's just come on here. And we've got lots of different accounts. Let's go on to this one. We've got Inspiration Daily. Now, this one here, you can see 33k followers. All they're doing here is they have a stock footage background with a bit of text going over the top. These videos take literally minutes to create and upload. It's genuinely straightforward and simple, this whole process. And it doesn't matter what category you're going into, whether you're going into quotes like this, or if you was going into something completely different like dog training, like woodworking, anything like that. So I'll share another example with you. So we'll just type in woodworking plans, and then we'll scroll through, we'll click on accounts, and we'll just find a couple, because the whole method, regardless of any of these that you're going into, it works incredibly well. So the whole format is, we find stock footage, whether that is an image or a video, we then overlay text on the top, and then we're looking to monetize that in a number of ways. So the method we are looking at monetizing with today is, I'll show you this one over here. So this one here, look, I discovered 16,000 woodworking plans. Click on here. That there is going to take me over to either a landing page or directly to a sales page. And I'll share with you what both of those means in a second. So let me click on continue, and we can see this is taking me over to Ted's woodworking. Now this product over here is available over on, so all they're doing is they're going onto an affiliate network, they're getting an affiliate link, and they're including that inside of their profile on TikTok. And it's honestly, the whole process is straightforward and simple. And if I drag this all the way down to the bottom, you will see here, look, $67. We can see, where's it gone? Ted's Woodworking. You can see here, look, Clickbank. This is a Clickbank product, okay? So it doesn't matter whether we are doing woodworking, whether we are doing motivational quotes, whether we was doing, let's just say, this one, and I've seen people doing this one, brain training for dogs. Again, similar concept. So look, this one here, this one, any of these, it doesn't really matter. So if I click on this one, let's just go into this account here. Dog training, please. Come into here, 61 followers. Not many. You can see again, they've not even, I mean, this account, they've not even uploaded hardly any videos, but they're doing the same process. They're literally taking stock footage, uploading this with a link over here to professional dog training. And I know it's where it's taking me. It's going to take me over to this product over here, which again is a product over on Clickbank. So what they're doing here is they're collecting people's emails. And if I was to go ahead and put my name and email in here, what will happen is, let me see if I can show you this right now. So sign me up for more information. Look, it's taking me over here to the Clickbank product. Now I don't know why their opt-in page isn't working, but essentially what they're doing here is they're capturing your name and email before sending you over to the sales page. And the reason why they're doing that process is because obviously everyone doesn't buy the first time, but if they've captured your name and email beforehand, they can then follow up with you, about the actual product that you was interested in. Okay, so we can see on here, you can do this in any category, you can do it in any niche, and I'll walk through the concept of this now because it's genuinely straightforward. So once you've decided on a category, you would need a product to have down here in your affiliate link, okay? So literally easiest platform you can do this with is Clickbank, because on the left hand side you've got all of these different categories. You can even just search for anything via the search bar up here, okay? But if I scroll, in fact I'll just show you this. So we'll type in brain training for dogs, like so, and I know that product's on here. So you can see on here, look, brain training for dogs, unique course, easy to sell, with an average conversion of $31. Pretty straightforward, and I'm sure there'll be other ones on there, but depending on whichever category you're going into, you can just come down here. So if we was going with something like this motivational quotes category, we'd need to find a product related to that. So let's just go into business and invest on, well, maybe potential. We can come down here, let's have a look. Marketing and sales, personal finance. Let's just go into this one, personal finance, and have a look. Create wealth without risk, $2. Not really. No. So let's just type in mindset. Let's see if anything comes up for that. Decoding the mindset of, no thank you. What's this one? Maxi mindset software. No. How to be her best lover ever. What's this? 30-day ultimate success challenge. So something like, let's have a look at the sales page. So if you want to look at the sales page, you just click on here. It opens up in a new tab. So we can see here, this is the 30-day ultimate success challenge. What's included in this? So look at this. Champion mindset, millionaire mindset, 10 times success, law of attraction, believe in yourself, crush of fear. Oh, so you see all of these things here. These are very related to what, this sort of category, what people are watching. So if I wanted to get a link for this, I could include it in my TikTok profile. It's very simple. I would just click on here, promote. And then all we do is we click on generate hop link. And now you see that down there, that is our long link. So we would copy that, like so, and then basically anyone who clicks on there using our link, we can earn money. So let me show you this. So this is the sales page as it looks at the moment. If I click on there and paste my link, what I've just got, and we're going to the same page, but you'll notice up here it says hop equals 123, Fern 123, sorry. Come over here, this one is empty. So this here is our tracking link back over to the product over on Clickbank, okay? So step one is we decide on a category. Step two is we find products that we are going to promote. Then we move on to step three, which is whereby we would need to create the content. Now you can do this in two different ways. You can do the long version or the short version. Now, if you're a long time viewer, you will know I prefer the simple and easy methods, but if you want to go down the long version, I'll show you how to do that as well. So all we would need is some free stock footage. So we just type into our browser free video down. Oh, I can't even spell free video download. Okay. And then we'll find all of these different sites. So we've got Pixabay, we've got Pexels, Video Vive, and they all work in a very similar fashion. So you come in here and you just type whatever it is you're looking for. So in this example over here where, they just had, well, this was just black and white, wasn't it? But let's just go back over here and let's just type something in. So let's just type in black background as an example. Black background. No. background. There we go. Let's hit on that. So we can see, look, these are videos. So you see up here, these ones here, you don't want to click on these because these are sponsored videos, okay? So you'd want to come down. Now on here, you can download this one, you can download this one, any of these, okay? So you download these and then you get images and overlay text or images on top of these. Now for that, you would need a free video editor. So again, we just go on here and we type in free video editor. Now the one that always comes up at the top is one called OpenShot. There are many more. You can scroll through and have a look at, all of these. But if I quickly show you, I'll show you OpenShot so you can see down here, look, OpenShot video editor, 60,000 people a month are searching for that. But if you come in here, it's a genuinely simple process. You download the software, and then what happens is inside of here, it's just drag and drop. So on here, as you can see, you drag in your video and then you overlay your text on the top of that. Once you're done, you then take that image and that video and you upload it onto TikTok. Very straightforward and simple, but it will take a bit of time. The other option you've got is you could use video software. So one I've shared with you in the past is called InVideo. Now this one is awesome because again, you can do this completely for free. And inside of here, they have different templates that you can use, okay? So inside of here, on the left hand side, you've got these options here, but if you just scroll down, you can look templates. So if I click on templates now, in fact, if I just type in TikTok, look, TikTok video trends, I can come here and get video trends. So look, these are all perfect for this. So look at this one, ready to get shredded. So if you was going into that category, you can use this. And the awesome is, and as I've mentioned, these are all video templates, so you can edit any part of this. As well is, and again, it's free, it's Canva. You can come over to Canva and use the video editor on here. So we're going to Canva, we press on videos. Let me get rid of that. So we've got videos, and then we just scroll down, and basically we're going to use these as you can see on here. These are all templates. So we've got Facebook videos, mobile videos, YouTube videos. There's lots in here, but it doesn't matter whichever one you pick. So let's just go with this one as an example. Okay, we click on here. It then opens up into here. And this is the thing, like, people get put off by thinking, oh, it's video, it's going to be tricky, it's difficult. It's really not. If we use these free tools and softwares, it's a case of drag and drop. It really is. So, you can move this text wherever you want on the page. If you don't like this text, you can come up here and change the text like so. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can change the color of this, you can change the background image, the beach element. So if we go to elements, and I'm going to just type in, let's just type in waves, like so. And I'm going to click on videos, it will bring up all of these different videos for us. So if I click on this now and put this over here like so, I have now got a wave video. And then I would just put my text over the top. So let me just get rid of this over here. Let's just get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. So now you can see how it's starting to come together. And this is basically the video. So if I click on play, you can see we've got this over here. But if I obviously want to change this here, I don't know, we'd just type in easy tricks for the mind or something like this. Basically, we'd put our text in here. And once we're happy with this, all we do is we come up here, we click on share, and then we download that video, and it's done. How long did that take? Didn't take long at all, did it? It's honestly simple and an easy method. So we've got our product, we've decided on our niche, we've now got our video. So now we need to start uploading our videos over onto TikTok. Now you'll notice here, this person hasn't got a link for whatever reason. If I come over here, if I go back onto, let's just go back onto another one. Let's see if we can find one with an actual link on their profile. Okay, so here to motivate anyone who's feeling, I mean, look at this one here, 88k followers. And they all look exactly the same, don't they? Bit of text over the top, and that's it. It's just not hard to create this content whatsoever. But basically, once you reach 1,000 followers over on your TikTok profile and you hit the 4,000 views, then you can actually get a clickable link in your bio, which basically means you can direct the traffic anywhere you want. So you've got two options. You can send them over to a page whereby you collect somebody's email and you can follow up with them at a later date. So again, free software you can use for this is this one over here. It's called Get Response. So you could come over here and you would create what is known as a landing page. It's drag and drop simple. It takes literally 10 minutes. I'll show you this over here. We'll go to pricing. And then look, scroll down here, look, this is free. So you can collect 500 contacts. It's absolutely free. Included in here, you can create a landing page or a website builder. You can connect your name, and you've also got sign up forms, okay? So it's really simple. You come over here, create a free account, and then you can go ahead and start collecting people's names and emails so that you can follow up with them at a later date. The other option is you can simply just send that traffic directly over to the sales page, as we saw earlier. So you'd be sending them straight over here. But as we all know, people don't buy the first time they see something. They need to come back and review it a number of times. And that's the benefit of literally collecting somebody's name and email. We get the name and email, we then follow up to them with information. It can be information from this. So once you've got someone's email, you can send this out over here. Look, here's a bonus. If you go ahead and pick this product up, you get all of these different things. We would also say, hey, look at the reviews from this product, and we would just copy and paste this over here into our autoresponder over here. And it's that simple. It genuinely is that simple. Now, if you have the university over here, we also cover how to get your link over on TikTok, this over here, how to get this really quickly. We've got a full case study inside of here, and you can see here, look, 2,000 followers in 7 days. We've got over a number of methods for making money with TikTok. And it's not just TikTok, we've got all of these other categories as well. But look, that is today's video. That is how you can make money on TikTok, and it literally will take you less than 30 minutes a day. So if you have any questions, please comment down below. Always, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.